Hi, I'm Seth Arnold, and I'm here for a question and answer on SmartStrand Forever Clean. So the question is, what exactly is SmartStrand Forever Clean? Well, the simple answer is it's permanent protection. To be more specific, it's the only carpet with lifetime permanent protection from stains built into the fiber. And now our new Nano-Lock Spill and Soil Shield makes SmartStrand the easiest carpet to clean. So let's take a minute and break this down. Perhaps a different question is, what's the difference between a stain and a spill? Well, this seems like a simple question, but please bear with me. We will simulate a spill by placing two pieces of carpet into this fish tank full of Merlot wine. We will take a premium solution-dyed nylon, and we will compare that to our new SmartStrand Forever Clean protected with the Nano-Lock Spill Shield. Now, let's start with nylon. All nylon carpets rely on temporary protection from both spills and stains. Now, nylon carpets have dye sites within the fiber, and they rely completely on that topical stain and spill protection. Now, this protection is temporary in two ways. First, let's look at our example of the solution-dyed nylon. Now, within a matter of about 3 to 6 minutes, the alcohol within this Merlot will begin to break down the protection, and the Merlot will begin to interact with the fiber, lock into the dye sites to become a stain. Now, secondly, the protection on this carpet is temporary because as you walk, wash, and wear this carpet, that protection is removed. So in fact, the best level of protection that you will get is about 3 to 6 minutes. Over time, you will begin to lose that stain protection. Now, let's compare that to the Forever Clean. SmartStrand Forever Clean has the same stain protection that is built into the fiber that it's always had. What we've done is we've eliminated the dye sites and we've built the stain protection into the core fiber. Now, this stain protection lasts forever and will never wash or wear off. This is what made SmartStrand #1 in customer satisfaction, and it's what makes it such an extraordinary alternative to nylon. Now, what's new about SmartStrand Forever Clean is that it's now protected with a Nano-Lock Spill and Soil Shield that makes SmartStrand the easiest carpet to clean. So let's go back to our demonstration. You can see that the Merlot has not been able to penetrate the Nano-Lock technology, and by simply taking that spill and applying it to a cloth, you can see that it's incredibly easy to clean. Now, by comparison, if you look at our solution-dyed nylon, you can see that within a very short amount of time, the Merlot has worked through the barrier and it becomes very difficult to clean. But here's the real question. What if that stain sits for 24 hours, 48 hours? What if it sits for 2 weeks? What if you have a pet accident, your pet doesn't tell you that they've spilled, and you don't get there in time and it dries? Well, now we've gone from dealing with a spill, which we've seen here, to dealing with a stain, which we'll demonstrate here. Now here we have two pieces of carpet. On our left, we have a piece of solution-dyed nylon, but what you can see is that the dye has actually settled into the carpet, worked past the spill shield, and it's become a stain. Now here we have a piece of SmartStrand Forever Clean. The exact same spill was applied to this carpet, and what you can see is, even before we begin cleaning them, there's a difference in the color. Why is that? Well, the nylon, because of its dye sites, the spill works through the protection and immediately locks in and in essence re-dyes the carpet. With the SmartStrand Forever Clean, the spill is staying on the surface and drying on the surface. It never locks into the core fiber, which means it will be easier to clean. So here we have an example of just plain water, tap water. We can put the carpet into the water and simulate how easy it would be to clean these carpets, maybe with a Bissell green machine or some type of water and sponge. So we put both carpets into the water, and then we'll shake them up. And with very little effort, it becomes easy to demonstrate the remarkable difference between the two carpets. The SmartStrand Forever Clean is completely cleaned of the red dye. Now, by comparison, the solution-dyed nylon, the dye has remained in those dye sites, and that will be a stain that will not come out. So as you can see, whether we're dealing with a spill or we're dealing with a stain, SmartStrand Forever Clean without comparison is the easiest carpet to clean.